Guys, it's it's Caitlin, Steven, and Dustin, and we are so excited for the cash challenge.
Yes, we are.
Woo! Woo! Guys, it's Caitlin and Steven. We are here in Colorado, and we just wanted you guys to meet us in person and share with you a little bit about us and who we are. So I'm Caitlin.
And I'm Steven.
And I'm 30, Steven's 31.
Yeah.
We do not have any children at this time, but we do have 3 cats, and we're not weird cat people, I promise.
Not yet.
We never will be. We don't have like litter boxes in the basement or anything. Well,
We do.
we do, but our basement is not a giant litter box. Anyway, that's weird. What do I do? Let's see. I am a financial counselor through my business, but I'm actually in the process of writing financial curriculum for people, so that's lots of fun. And been doing that for many years. And I also work part-time for a great financial company. And Steven,
I work at Wells Fargo for the past 3 years as an underwriter, and now also doing quality assurance of loans. So yeah, it's a lot of fun, and also branching out and doing a little multifamily apartment investing, and yeah, just enjoying life actually. So hoping to do a lot of 14ers this year, hiking that is, and getting outside and camping and spending time with my wife here that we love to do in the summer, and yeah, just have a good time.
Yeah.
So it's nice to meet you guys, and thanks for having us on.
yeah, we're super excited. We love the outdoors. We're really excited about this, and looking forward to helping you guys with this and changing lives and helping people. So nice to meet you guys. Looking forward to it, and we will talk soon. All right. Peace out.